afternoon! So, today is day off ko. So, di pa naman mamamasyal. Pero mag-stay over tayo ngayon sa hotel. Just for one night lang. And tomorrow, balak ko sanang mag-zoo. So, if maganda yung panahon tomorrow, mag-zoo tayo. Hindi naman, wag muna. So, ayun, i-ask ko din sina ate ko kung gusto nilang sumama ni Aiden. Para nanay ko, ako, si Yona, si Aiden, at si ate ang pupunta sa zoo tomorrow. Kasi sina Riley at Lexi, meron pa silang pasok. And unfortunately, meron din akong pasok ng weekend at pang night shift ako. Kaya ngayon lang ako pwedeng lumabas. So, ayun lang. Susundin ko muna si Yona. And saka kami dadaan muna ng kape para may pampagising tayo and diretso na tayo sa hotel. And guys, so update nga pala, ito na yung itsura ng sidewalk natin. So ginawa na nila sa kabila. Yan. And it's been talaga, past few days it's been raining hard kaya laging basa ang ground. So tomorrow medyo maulap lang daw siya buong araw. It doesn't show naman na uulan. So hopefully, ganun nga talagang lagay tomorrow. Okay, so dito po sa may Chops, nag-order na lang ako ng sinayon na Atra. Sastay sila ngayon sa hotel. And ayun. So nakabalik na tayo dito sa sakyan. And ang in-order natin ay pagkain sa may Chops kasi across, and dito lang siya guys, just across the street kung saan kami nakastay ngayon. Video ka sana sa pero kasi nasarapan ako ng host pero ayun, they're busy today and mas okay talaga pag sa loob na lang kami ng hotel kumain sa may kwarto mismo. So pinapalitan ko yung kwarto ko ng 2 queens kasi meron silang dining table sa may 2 queens. Sa may king wala silang dining table. So ayun, mas okay, mas tahimik. And kasi pag nasa labas kami, si Yona minsan alam mo na, super energetic. Wala pang kumukuha dito sa spot. Pero nagpark ako sa harapan ng sakyan ni Atra. So tomorrow may work siya. Kaya maghiwalay kaming ng sakyan. Kasi galing siya ng work. And meron din siyang work tomorrow. Kaya hey! I'm excited! So pagdating natin mamaya set up natin yung table para makakain na kasi alas 7 na siya ng gabi. Hindi pa kami nag-aapunan. Hello! Hello, you two! Yeah, you did. Good girl. Let's eat now. Dito kami nakastay sa may Town Place Suites and yun lang yung pinagbilhan ko ng pagkain sa may Chopstick House. Okay, let's open our food. So first we have,
they don't fit by the 20th. They're going to fit automatically in the house.
Oh yeah? Oh, they separately pack them. So this is yours, Yona. So Yona will have the salmon.
Just go. Recording.
Bro, I told you I'm recording. And pieces of steak.
Don't mind the hair and the underwear.
Yeah, don't mind Atra wearing boxers. And this is Atra's food. Corn salad. And let's open mine. Oh, you wanna help open? Okay. What's in here? Oh, Yona's fries. Yummy. And mashed potato. And of course, mine is the prime rib. I always get the rib eye. So this time I'm getting prime rib because ihira akong kumain ng prime rib. Isa kasi wala sa stores and stuff like that. So, prime rib tayo! Yummy! Okay. Wait.
Mama, look.
Oy! You're eating the ketchup already? Mmm.
My ketchup.
Buksan natin siya. Prime rib! Here's just mashed potato. And pieces of steaks. And vegetable pieces. And some salad. Jonas fries. And some salmon. Kain. Yan, so mag-movie night na tayo. May mga lista na akong movies. So, mamimili na lang. So, pananoorin natin is called Family Pack. Ayan guys, so kakagising na namin pero mag-empake na kami kasi pupunta kami ng zoo. Yan si Yona. Pupunta kami ng zoo nila ate. Your slipper is, anak ko, pangis. Yeah, you put it on the wrong side. Good morning! So, ayan, nakapag-impake na kami and everything. Nasakyan na din. Nakapag-breakfast na din. Medyo di namin feel yung breakfast nila today. So, ayun. Kunti na yung nakain namin. Yeah, so pauwi na kami. Pick upin namin sina ate and Aiden. Ayan, dito na kami sa zoo! Ayan. So, madaming mga estudyante ngayon. Tapos madaming school bus. Tingnan nyo. What are you doing?
The card, Nani.
Tita, what are you doing? Kano, tita?
Let me pick the card.
Careful. Okay, you wanna walk or you wanna ride the cart? Okay. Ano, nagkuripas na! Nagkuripas na urumaran! It's coming, coming! Shoes off. Okay, so then you put her? His. Yeah. Okay, napaka-struggle. Naman ako na nag-backpack.
Hold it.
Yan.
Oh, Aiden. Oh, let's put it there, okay?
Yee! Let's go. Oh, you wanna let Aiden sit in your lap?
No.
No. Damot naman yun.
I just threw my lemon.
Yeah? Yee! Ganito lang yung parkingan nila. Bato-bato. Yan. So, pwede tayong pumunta dito para bumili ng ticket or pwede rin sa online.
Lumatang ka ticket?
Mm-mm.
Ito nakatatangkan.
Tampay. Mga nang tapay lang. In a picture. We also have cafes. Ayan. So, murang-mura lang guys. 270. Sa amin na ito ni Yona, 27.45. For adult is $16.95 and kids is $10.50. You wanna walk, Yona? You just wanna walk?
Ni, hindi yung pakita na gito yan?
Ni. We're confused kasi walang nag-check ng ng tickets or like QR. Ito lang, pumasok ka lang. So technically, you don't need to pay.
Yeah, you can just come in.
Ay.
You can just come in.
There's nothing?
Oh, there's Mr. Kenzie.
It's hiding. Yeah. Hindi nila makita yung animal dun sa may, ano kanina, dun sa water. Andito lang pala, nag-chill. There.
Huh?
Okay.
Look there.
They're resting.
Yeah.
I
Maybe he's tired swimming. So he needs to take a break.
They're sleeping.
Yeah. Oh. Resting.
Yana, look in here.
What's that, Joanna? What kind of animal is it? Don't go inside. Hey, don't go inside.
Here's the animal.
What does the sheep say?
Ba. Ba. Say hi, sheep.
Hi.
What do you call that animal?
Yes, it's
Huh? What, kind,
animal, I think.
what is it called?
It's a sheep.
Sheep. What cute
Oh,
sheep.
give me your puas.
Sorry.
There's a pond, but there's ducks in it. Just ducks.
Look, I see that fish come out.
Water. Yes, it's a water.
Walk, walk, walk. It's an empty lot.
Hi, Julia.
This is Juliana the pig. Mm-hmm. I'm always running. Let's do walking feet. How many pigs do you see? Two. Wow. Wow.
Look in the branch sa balikit kita.
Turtle too.
Yeah.
There's a big
That's Lee.
Big,
Yeah, that's
a tortoise.
It's a tortoise. Is it?
Yeah.
You wanna ride the turtle, Aiden?
No, this is my turtle.
Oh, but you cannot take home the turtle. That's the zoo's
Oh, I see
animals.
do that. I see the
Talaga kayo, pag makapag-mine kayo dyan.
Look, another turtle.
Tortoise.
The turtle.
Tortoise.
Another turtle, Mama.
Yeah. Hey, there's bunny over there.
Animal, this is just my animal.
That's your animals again. Lahat na iyo. Oh. Hi, goat. Oh, see? Hi, goat. Oh my gosh, they're big. Oh, what's that, Yona? Ito na nakamanang mo. Oh, look, gawan oh. Yona. Hi, goatee. Ah, sheep. Ang saya naman ng batang yan. Do they sound funny? Oh. At may peacock sila. They have peacock. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Oh, Lucy, there's more over here.
Peacock! Wow. Yan, ako po si Yona kasi kumakain. Hindi pa nagpa-breakfast.
Baby dolls.
Oh! Wow!
Look, a big peacock.
Here you go. Is that a baby one? Yeah. Gising kumakain. Do you want Cliff Bar to Aiden? Ayan, open. Dinner on the move. Oh, Yona, look. You see that? This way, this way, this way. This way.
Look at the tail, Yona.
Wow. Beautiful feather.
I'm just thinking in terms of like picking.
Facing here, come on.
Di ba nakasala ka ready for mating? Yun ba yun?
I don't know.
Okay. Suplada yung bird. Ayaw, mag-face dito. Ito naman si Yona, busy sa kao niya. Ito, yagun une. Peta? Lo. Hindi pikas eh? What are you drinking?
You want ketchup?
Yummy. Ayan, lunch muna
You
kami.
want ketchup?
Know that she's coming.
Naki-field trip na kami. Hindi kami kasali sa school nila, pero nakiki-field trip na kami. Itong si Yona, ayaw ipahawak ng mga bata yung upuan niya. Hinahawakan. Manggaglugo. Okay, let's go see the owl.
Angry owl.
Does it look like it's angry?
No.
Oh, but it's not angry. Yan. So, uwi na tayo kasi may nakapupo.
Ayaw na umupo.
Ayaw umupo. Ganyan na lang daw siya. Wala yung mga malalaking animals. Wala yung elephant, wala yung tiger, lion. Merong wolf, pero malayo siya masyado. Hindi natin yung nakita. Yun na, hupup-pup. Hupup-pup yan na. Kaya umupo.